Now let's see this experimental setup here, and you can fill in the blanks given in the reaction. Just to go through this experimental setup, here sprouted seeds are kept. Okay, this is a jar, it is closed, airtight, and here one tube is connected here. This tube it is connected to another test tube. In this test tube, what is taken here? Calcium hydroxide is taken, right? And a gas is liberated here, and it is coming through this tube, and it is entering this calcium hydroxide solution. After it is entering, it is turning to milky white PPT, right? Then can you identify the gas liberated by these sprouted seeds? Of course, it is right what you are guessing. It's very simple. Here with calcium hydroxide, what has to be reacted in order to produce milky white color? That is here carbon dioxide. So the gas liberated will be carbon dioxide. So in this place you need to write CO2. Then what will be formed? Here milky white PPT what we are getting, that is what? Calcium carbonate, CaCO₃. Right? So what we can say, milky white PPT CaCO₃. In case if it is given as B, you have to name it as CaCO₃. And if it is asked here as A is nothing but CO2. CO2 is acting as an acid here, because calcium hydroxide is a base. This will be acid. So what we are getting here, base plus acid gives what? Salt and water, right? This is salt and water. See, salt and water. So that is how you need to remember here. Only carbon dioxide gas, when it reacts with the calcium hydroxide solution, only then it turns to milky white color, showing that presence of carbon dioxide. Okay, when you are keeping these inside the jar or like that something. Otherwise, when we blow the air into the test tube containing calcium hydroxide solution, then also it turns into milky white color, because we are breathing out carbon dioxide, and even living organisms, they too are breathing out carbon dioxide, means they are exhaling carbon dioxide. That you need to remember. This is how you have to think and answer when these types of questions are asked in the exam.